Looking for the ultimate family getaway on Turkey's stunning Mediterranean coast? Let me take you through Liberty Lykia, a massive 5-star all-inclusive resort that has families and couples buzzing with excitement. Formerly known as Crystal Family Resort and Spa, this property underwent a complete transformation in 2021 and has since become one of the most talked-about destinations in the Kemer region. Situated in the peaceful area of Goynuk, just 45 kilometers from Antalya Airport, this resort sprawls across an impressive 240,000 square meters of lush gardens, pine forests, and pristine beachfront. With over 12,000 reviews on TripAdvisor and consistently high ratings across all booking platforms, Liberty Lykia has earned its reputation as the #1 all-inclusive resort in Goynuk. The property holds a coveted 5-star rating and has been recognized with TripAdvisor Travelers Choice Awards for 3 consecutive years. What makes this place special is its commitment to providing an endless holiday experience, combining modern Mediterranean style with comprehensive facilities that cater to every age group. The resort recently completed major renovations in 2023 and 2024, refreshing all 753 rooms and expanding its already impressive aquapark. In 2025, they added new splash zones for kids, showing their dedication to staying current and competitive in the luxury resort market. The accommodation options at Liberty Lykia are impressively diverse, offering everything from budget-friendly standard rooms to exclusive villa suites with private pools. All 753 rooms come equipped with modern amenities that you would expect from a 5-star property. Every room features air conditioning, which is absolutely essential during those hot Turkish summers, satellite television with screens over 42 inches, a safe for your valuables, and complimentary Wi-Fi throughout your stay. The minibar gets restocked daily with soft drinks and snacks, and you will find tea and coffee making facilities in every room. Each accommodation comes with its own balcony or terrace, giving you a private outdoor space to enjoy the Mediterranean breeze. The standard rooms measure 28 square meters and offer either king or twin bed configurations. These entry-level rooms are decorated in cozy neutral tones and typically overlook the garden or pool areas. They can accommodate up to 3 guests with an extra bed and come with all the essential amenities including a hairdryer, slippers, and direct dial telephone. For those wanting a bit more visual appeal, the pool view rooms offer the same size and layout but with direct views of the swimming pool areas, creating that vacation vibe right from your balcony. The family rooms are where things get interesting for those traveling with children. At 40 square meters, these rooms feature 2 bedrooms connected by a door, providing privacy for parents while keeping the kids close. They include bunk beds that children absolutely love, a sofa bed for additional sleeping space, and views overlooking either the gardens or the playground areas. These rooms can comfortably accommodate 4 to 5 people, making them perfect for families who want space without breaking the bank. Moving up the luxury scale, the suites offer 55 square meters of elegantly designed space divided into a separate bedroom and living room. The real highlight here is the jacuzzi tub in the marble bathroom, perfect for unwinding after a day of activities. Suite guests also receive VIP check-in service, bathrobes, and an espresso machine for those who take their coffee seriously. The sea view terraces from these suites are absolutely stunning, especially during sunset hours. At the top end of the accommodation spectrum are the villa suites, sprawling over 100 square meters with 2 to 3 bedrooms and their own private pools and gardens. These exclusive villas offer direct beach access, the option to arrange a private chef, outdoor showers, and luxurious outdoor lounges with infinity plunge pools. They can accommodate 6 to 8 guests and represent the ultimate in resort luxury, though they come with a premium price tag starting around €4,000 for a week-long stay during peak season. Recent guest photos show that while the standard rooms can show some wear, particularly in the carpeting, the overall maintenance is good, and the 2023 to 2024 renovations have addressed many previous concerns about outdated furnishings and aging air conditioning units. When it comes to dining, Liberty Lykia truly shines with 17 different restaurants and bars spread across the property. The all-inclusive concept here is genuinely comprehensive, covering unlimited premium drinks and meals throughout your stay without the annoying reservation requirements that plague many other resorts. The heart of the dining experience is Sofra Main Restaurant, an enormous buffet venue that can seat over 1,000 guests at once. Open from 7 in the morning until midnight, this restaurant serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner with an absolutely staggering variety of options. We are talking over 200 different dishes each evening, ranging from traditional Turkish mise platters and perfectly grilled meats to fresh seafood displays that look like works of art. The restaurant hosts themed nights throughout the week, with Mexican cuisine on Tuesdays and Italian specialties on Fridays, adding variety to your stay. Guest reviews consistently praise the freshness and quality of the food, though some mention that during peak summer season, the restaurant can feel crowded during prime dinner hours. For those seeking a more intimate dining experience, the fish restaurant, also known as La Pergola, offers Mediterranean-style seafood in an à la carte setting. Open for dinner from 7 until 9:30, this venue seats 150 guests and requires reservations, though each guest gets one complimentary visit per stay. The grilled octopus and sea bass are frequently mentioned as standout dishes, and while lobster is available, it comes with an additional charge. The smart casual dress code adds a touch of elegance to the evening. Venezia, the Italian restaurant, brings authentic Italian cuisine to the Turkish coast with wood-fired pizzas, handmade pasta, and tiramisu that guests rave about in their reviews. Like the fish restaurant, you get one free visit per stay, and they even offer pizza-making classes for those interested in learning the craft. For casual beachside dining, the beach bar serves burgers, salads, and cocktails from 10 in the morning until 6 in the evening. The relaxed atmosphere means swimwear is perfectly acceptable, and the swim-up bar feature makes it easy to grab a drink without leaving the water. The lobby bar operates 24 hours a day, serving premium spirits, creative mocktails, and hosting live music performances in the evenings. The lounge atmosphere makes it perfect for a nightcap or early morning coffee before the breakfast rush. What really sets Liberty Lykia apart from many competitors is the genuine quality of the all-inclusive offering. Many resorts claim unlimited premium drinks but then serve watered-down cocktails or limit access to top-shelf spirits. Here, the bartenders use quality ingredients, and guests consistently report that the drinks are generous and well-made. The variety of dining venues means you can easily spend a week here without eating at the same place twice, and the food quality remains high across all restaurants according to recent reviews from 2024 and 2025. The pool facilities at Liberty Lykia are nothing short of spectacular, featuring 7 different pools designed to cater to every preference and age group. The 2 main outdoor pools together cover 1,200 square meters and maintain a depth of 1.4 meters, making them suitable for both swimming and water games. These pools are surrounded by hundreds of sun loungers and umbrellas, all available free of charge to guests. The indoor pool, measuring 500 square meters, remains heated year-round and operates 24 hours a day, making it perfect for early morning swimmers or those visiting during the cooler winter months. For adults seeking peace and quiet, the adults-only infinity pool spans 350 square meters and offers stunning views of the Mediterranean while maintaining a tranquil, child-free environment. 2 swim-up bars serve the pool areas, allowing guests to order drinks and snacks without leaving the water. The aquapark is where Liberty Lykia really shows its commitment to family entertainment. Featuring 12 different water slides ranging from gentle slopes for younger children to heart-pounding drops for thrill-seekers, this facility keeps kids and adults entertained for hours. The dedicated kids' pools include shallow areas perfect for toddlers and the newly added splash zones from 2025 that feature interactive water features and fountains. A lazy river winds through part of the complex, offering a relaxing float for those who want to take it easy. The pools operate from 8 in the morning until 8 at night during the outdoor season, which runs from May through October, while the indoor pool provides year-round access. Poolside service includes complimentary towels, which you can exchange as many times as needed throughout the day, and waiters circulate regularly taking drink and snack orders. The beach is equally impressive, stretching for 700 meters of private coastline along the Mediterranean. The beach holds Blue Flag certification, an international recognition for cleanliness, safety, and environmental management. The sand has some pebbles mixed in, which is typical for this region, but the water is crystal clear and perfect for swimming. Free activities include kayaks and pedal boats, while paid options cover jet skiing, parasailing, and diving excursions through the on-site diving center. Beach waiter service means you never have to leave your sun lounger to get food or drinks, as staff regularly patrol the beach taking orders. The combination of extensive pool facilities and a lengthy private beach means that even during busy periods, you can usually find a quiet spot to relax. Recent reviews from summer 2025 note that the resort has implemented capacity limits to prevent overcrowding, which has significantly improved the guest experience compared to previous years when finding a lounger during peak hours could be challenging. The spa and wellness facilities at Liberty Lykia occupy an impressive 4,000 square meters dedicated entirely to relaxation and rejuvenation. The Liberty Spa offers a comprehensive menu of treatments including traditional Turkish baths, aromatherapy massages, facials, body scrubs, and couples rituals in 10 separate treatment rooms. The signature Lykia ritual is a 2-hour experience combining a traditional hammam session with a full-body massage for €150, and guests consistently rate it as a highlight of their stay. The spa facilities include authentic Turkish hammams, both Finnish and Russian saunas, a steam room, an ice fountain for that invigorating cold plunge, and a peaceful relaxation lounge where you can decompress before or after treatments. The beauty salon offers hairstyling, manicures, pedicures, and other cosmetic services. The spa operates from 9 in the morning until 8 at night, and booking through the resort app or at reception is recommended, with many guests suggesting you reserve treatments at least 50% in advance to secure your preferred time slots. The fitness center is equipped with Technogym cardio machines and weight equipment, free weights, spin bikes, and even a boxing area for those wanting a more intense workout. The facility opens at 7 in the morning and closes at 9 at night, giving early risers and evening exercisers plenty of access. Daily fitness classes include yoga, pilates, aqua aerobics, and Zumba, with a schedule posted each morning showing the times and locations. Personal trainers are available for an additional fee if you want customized workout plans or one-on-one instruction. The fitness center overlooks the gardens, providing a pleasant view while you work out, and the air conditioning keeps things comfortable even during the hottest summer days. Beyond the spa and fitness center, Liberty Lykia offers an impressive array of activities throughout the day. Beach volleyball courts are set up on the sand, and organized tournaments happen regularly with the animation team coordinating teams and keeping score. Archery equipment is available with instruction provided, and mini golf courses wind through the gardens for some family-friendly competition. The animation team, which receives consistent praise in guest reviews, organizes water polo games in the pools, beach games, dance classes, and various sports competitions throughout the day. For those interested in exploring the underwater world, the diving center offers both introductory courses for beginners and guided dives for certified divers, taking advantage of the Mediterranean's clear waters and diverse marine life. Tennis courts are available for guest use, and while equipment can be borrowed from the sports desk, serious players might want to bring their own rackets. Evening entertainment is a major focus at Liberty Lykia, with professional shows running from 9 at night until 11. The performances range from acrobatic displays and fire dancers to live music concerts and international DJ sets. The animation team maintains high energy throughout the evening, and the quality of the entertainment consistently exceeds what you would find at similarly priced resorts. Turkish nights featuring traditional music and dance are particularly popular, giving guests a taste of local culture without leaving the resort. The disco operates late into the night for those wanting to continue the party after the main show's end. What makes the activities program special is the genuine enthusiasm of the staff. Unlike some resorts where animation teams seem to be going through the motions, Liberty Lykia's team brings real energy and creativity to their programs, constantly introducing new games and activities to keep things fresh for guests staying longer periods. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.